Alright guys, we're going to engage the four-wheel drive on this Rubicon, and we're going to lock the front and rear differential and disconnect the sway bar. So first thing we're going to do is we'll be fully stopped and put the transmission in neutral. And so we go to low gear, we'll hit the high gear first and pull over and all the way back, engage the four-wheel drive in low. Now we're in low gear, and then we'll proceed to lock the front and rear differential. Just click up on the button there, should engage the lockers, and need to be on a flat surface for the disconnect for the sway bar, and it will disconnect electronically. Sway bar is disconnected, we're ready to put it in gear, and we're ready to climb some rocks.
Coming, you good?